To get started with selling on Jupiter Exchange, you need to understand the basics of the platform and its requirements. Jupiter Exchange is a digital marketplace that allows users to buy and sell various digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and tokens. First, create an account on Jupiter Exchange by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address to activate your account and then set up two-factor authentication to secure your account. Next, complete the Know Your Customer process, which involves providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address. This is a mandatory step to comply with regulatory requirements and ensure a safe trading environment. After verifying your account, deposit funds into your Jupiter Exchange wallet using a supported payment method, such as a bank transfer or cryptocurrency deposit. The available payment methods may vary depending on your location, so check the platform's terms and conditions for more information. To list an item for sale, navigate to the Sell section of the platform and select the asset you want to sell. Enter the quantity and price, and provide a detailed description of the item. You can also add images or other relevant information to attract potential buyers. When setting a price, research the market to determine a competitive price for your asset. You can check the current market price on Jupiter Exchange or other platforms to get an idea of the going rate. Consider factors such as supply and demand, market trends, and the asset's intrinsic value when determining your price. Once you have listed your item, wait for buyers to express interest. When a buyer makes an offer, you will receive a notification, and you can choose to accept or decline the offer. If you accept the offer, the transaction will be processed, and the funds will be transferred to your wallet. To increase your chances of selling successfully, provide excellent customer service, respond promptly to inquiries, and be transparent about the asset's condition and any potential issues. Building a positive reputation on the platform can help you attract more buyers and increase your sales. Finally, stay up to date with Jupiter Exchange's terms and conditions, as well as any changes to the platform's policies or procedures. This will help you avoid any potential issues and ensure a smooth selling experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell on Jupiter Exchange and achieve your trading goals.